Hi friends, welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. So let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is down by 12 points, that is 0.02%, and settled at 80,424 points. Nifty 50 is up by 31 points, 0.13%, and settled at 24,572 points. Bank Nifty is down by 148 points, that is 0.29%, and settled at 50,368 points. Nifty Mid Cap 100 Index is up by 104 points, that is 0.18%, and settled at 577760 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is up by 315 points, that is 1.71%, and settled at 18,752 points. Zen Technologies Limited, a key player in the defense, simulation, and technology industry, proudly announces the recent patent grant in India for its revolutionary mine detection system. This innovation marks a substantial leap in the field of minefield reconnaissance, planning, and clearance, specifically addressing the development of a safer, more efficient, and accurate approach to mine detection, company said in an exchange filing. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session at shares of Hindustan Zinc have opened lower for the fourth day in a row on Monday, starting trade with losses of over 5%. With this, the stock has now declined over 20% over the last four trading sessions. Vedanta, Hindustan Zinc's promoter, announced on Friday that it will exercise the green shoe option in the offer for sale, through which it will now sell 3.17% stake compared to the 2.6% initially planned. Although it must be kept in mind that Hindustan Zinc is a stock that has very little free float in the market, as 64.92% stake is held by the promoter Vedanta, while nearly 30% stake is held by the government and another 2.5% stake is held by Life Insurance Corporation of India. DCX Systems stock hits 5% upper circuit of 337 rupees and 95 paise a piece in today's early morning trade after the company announced a new order worth 107 crore rupees from domestic and overseas customers. This order involves the supply of electronic kits and cable and wire harness assemblies, as disclosed in an exchange filing on 16 August. In an exchange filing, Kaplan Points said, "This is to inform you that Anvisa Brazil conducted an inspection of Kaplan Steriles injectable and ophthalmic manufacturing facility located at Gummidipundi. The facility was inspected between August 12 and 16, 2024, the company said. It is indeed gratifying to have back-to-back audits with zero observations. We remain steadfast in our commitment to maintaining the highest levels of quality compliance at all our sites. Brazil is an important part of our expansion plans in Latin America, and this clearance opens the door to the largest market in that geography, said C.C. Parthipan, Chairman Kaplan Points. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session. Shares of upstream oil companies Oil and Natural Gas Corporation and Oil India moved up on the BSE in Monday's intraday trade after the central government reduced the windfall tax on petroleum crude to 2,100 rupees per metric ton, down from 4,600 rupees per ton, effective from 17 August. CWD Limited, an information communication technology company, today announced the signing of a master supply agreement MSA with PhonePe, one of India's leading fintech companies, to design, develop, and manufacture the innovative Soundbox device. The two-year deal is valued at 100 crores rupees, underscoring the significance of this collaboration in shaping the future of digital payments in India. The Soundbox, a game-changing payment solution, has revolutionized the way merchants receive and confirm UPI transactions. By integrating seamlessly with PhonePe's platform, the device provides a multilingual audible confirmation of payments, enabling merchants to focus on serving customers without the need to constantly monitor their mobile devices. Company said in an exchange filing. With this positive news, stock locked in upper circuit of 20% in today's session. Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited said in a exchange filing that we hereby inform you that Mishra Dhatu Nigam Limited, Midhani, has secured an order of 285 crores rupees. With this, the open order position of Midhani as on date is around 2098 crores rupees. With this positive news, stock surged up in today's session at 3:10 p.m. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.